All right, just got up to this unit. Said he turned on the blower. I heard the blower going, but doesn't look like anything's going on here. Let's check this first. Whoa, that does not look good. Look at that fuse, just totally cooked. All right, let's check for power. All right, got the meter out. Let's just check to see if we got, whoa, yeah, those line. Those look cooked too. Look at that. Yeah, we're probably gonna cut some new connections. Bottom ones look okay, but yeah, I can tell it's been stressing out a little bit up here. Let's see if we at least have line. There and there. We got 240. All right, I'm pretty sure we don't have 240 going through, but let's just check. Never know. Oh, and we do. So it's still sending it through, but we'll clean all that up. All right. Let's go here. Open this up. Waiting one out. Either some contactor's not pulling in, or the signal ain't getting up here, something. Let's open it up. Let's take this one off too. This one. Trane. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that contactor. That's why you're not working there, bud. Looks like the contact just like literally fell off. That's nuts. Dude, look at that. Connection up there is all cooked too. Dude, this thing's been getting some crazy dirty power in it. Probably just have to upgrade everything. Get a new contactor, new capacitor, possibly a hard start. Fuses over there in the box, clean up that electrical. Things should get going. All right, this is what I've done so far. Got the new contactor in, as you can see there. Got a new 45.5 capacitor. Added a hard start to it as well. It's a pretty old unit, so that should help out a little bit. All right, next we're gonna put in some fuses. All right, let's get these old fuses out. Look at that. Literally just like dust. Just crumbled away. Oh my God. He's just falling apart. These fuses are old. They just disintegrate. And yes, power is turned off. Alright. These two connections at the bottom look good, but yeah, that thing's super crunchy. Yeah. Let's get this guy. That thing's on there pretty good. That's probably why it's been having issues too. Old disconnect. But before I break that, I think I'm just gonna keep it there. Damn it. I don't want to, but if I keep doing that, that thing's gonna bust. That metal's all chewed up. Just get these fuses in. We had good power going through, so wasn't losing any voltage or anything. Should be better with the fuses. Alright. Fuses in. Just trying to get up to that connection up there, but that screw connection's all mangled up already. So we're just gonna keep it there before we break it. Let's get this low voltage hooked back up. Doing it with one hand. There's the contactor. Did that so I wouldn't short the damn board, the fuse. So I don't have to go back downstairs. All right, let's see what happens. Sounded pretty good. All right, let's turn power off, get these panels back on, and then we'll check the charge. Unit had really high pressure. It's probably only like 80 outside right now, but a little too high, so let's see if this works. Alright, running. Had some crazy burnt fuses, but they were still getting the power through them. We had a contactor that was broken. That was their main problem. The capacitor is pretty weak. Compressor had a little trouble starting up. Yeah, this thing's from 05. So, yeah, it's getting up there in age. But still chugging along. Charge looked okay. I ended up cleaning the coils. Pressure was a little high. These coils have been cleaned, I don't think ever. So had a little bit of high pressure, but See that line's nice and sweaty. Everything's working good. On to the next one.